We are here at the Cookery Club, where the Golden Elite students are being trained how to cook different types of foods, such as fish, cake baking, and even meat. I am here with one of the Cookery Club member. She's going to tell us more about the club and what she has learned. Welcome to Guest TV. Please tell us your name, your grade, and what you have learned from this club.
My name is Cindy Tess. I'm in grade 5. What I've learned about baking club, it helps us how to cook and it will help me in my future.
Can you please take us through a short process of cooking chapatis?
First you start, put flour in a sufuria or a bucket. After that you warm water. After warming water you add salt or sugar. Put warm water, mix it, put oil, mix it. After mixing it, you roll it and fry it.
What can you tell others about the Cookery Club?
I encourage all the students to join Bakery Club because it teaches us how to cook different types of food. Like today we cooked a mandazi.
I'm here with the Cookery Club patron. She's going to take us through the cookery process. Would you please tell us your name, your role, and about the Cookery Club?
My name is Teacher Cypros. I'm the Cookery Club teacher. My role in that club is to help learners to have idea on how to bake different foods like chapati, mandazi, and cake, sambusas too.
What is the importance of Cookery Club?
It makes learners to know and have idea on how to bake different types of foods, and it's also important in the activities. Like for example, we are in CBC era, and Cookery Club, it's important to the learners.
What will be your advice for the rest of the students who have not joined the Cookery Club?
I would like to advise the learners and all the students who have not joined the Cookery Club to join the Cookery Clubs, because it helps learners and students to know how to prepare their own food. And this is so important because maybe they can remain alone at home and they'll be ready to prepare food or bake any type of food.
That's all from the Cookery Club. Remember, cooking is important in our daily lives. If you know how to cook, you are good to go. I have been your host, Liliana Diambo, for Guest TV at Golden Elite Top School in Kisumu County.